natin mga mommies kapag baby pa ang ating kids. Gaya ni Ilyo. Okay, talagang papabahay niya pasensya. Talagang sinusubok tayo everyday, mommies, pero laban lang. Kaya naman today, ipapakita namin ngayon ng iba't ibang interactive at educational toys na tiyak papatok sa kanila. Kasama po natin ang napakagandang working mom natin today, si Mami Sarah May Tanhuangco Tan. Isa pong content creator at my 4-year-old beautiful daughter na si Sofia watching. Good morning, Mami Sarah.
Good morning.
Good morning, kapatid. At Mami Sarah, I'm so excited because I love toys. Can I tell you, nung bata kasi kami, very limited yung resources namin. Kaya yung mga toys ko, paper dolls, dala ng lola ko. But these are beautiful toys, no? Can you run me down through? Like, eto, magnetic tiles to. Anong mga benefits nito? Kasi pag tinignan mo, oh, ganyan siya, diba? Oh, yan. Okay. It helps with the cognitive skills daw and creativity, communication. Can you explain to me more of that?
Yes, so syempre, the kids will, yung ikakabit nila yung mga magnetic tiles. So, kunyari ganito siya. Kakabit mo siya.
So, it comes as a set.
Yes. So, may creativity yung lumalabas. So, gusto nila to build a building, an apartment, a room.
Oy, ganda.
And also, yung communication skills when you ask them, what are you building? So, mag-share sila.
Right.
I made this one. And also, patience also. Kasi, when they build this, minsan nahuhulog siya. Kasi hindi naman perfect ang mga magnets, right?
Right,
So, kung
right.
biglang nahulog siyang ganyan, so mainis yung bata. So, they need to learn patience also when playing with this one.
So what can you say? Like ikaw as a magulang, like, oh, it's okay. Later, you can build more, different things.
Tinuturuan ko
ganun,
si
no?
Sofia kasi based on experience yan eh. Na
Okay.
parang na-frustrate yung anak ko when she builds. Tapos talagang magka-crumble down. So I told her, it's okay, we can build it again.
That's
And tsaka
right.
parang sasabihin mo na, you cannot just build it like that. Kasi mahuhulog din siya minsan. So you
Right.
have to...
Strategy.
Yes.
May
learn
strategy din.
yes.
Pero ito, nakita ko may mga words kang in-attach. Ano naman ang nito, benefits nito? Kasi
So
nakita
another
ko,
activity for magnetic tiles is, kasi I'm teaching my child to read already.
Ay,
so,
ganda.
4 years old. So, para maiba naman hindi laging pen and paper, so ang ginawa ko is, so B80, babasahin ng anak ko, then she's going to look for it sa other...
na may words.
Oo.
At saka yan, kunwari
Yan, tapos
ito,
hanapin niya yung
hahanapin
picture.
niya. Parang ima-match niya, ganyan.
Yes.
Amazing. So, kahit tayong mga parents, nagkakaroon tayo ng practice for creativity when you get the magnetic tiles. Now, let's do the badminton. Wow! Sporty!
Kasi alam natin na ang mga kids
Okay.
ngayon, lagi naka-cellphone,
Totoo
lagi
yan.
nakaupo. So,
Oo.
paano natin i-encourage na mag-exercise?
Okay, activity.
And
very
napapansin ko kasi, since yung child ko maliit pa, nahihirapan sila magpalo ng shuttlecock. So, we use balloon.
Ay, cute! Cute. Okay,
So,
sige,
let's
can
try
we
it.
try?
And
Okay.
pansin nyo ba, maliit yung badminton racket. So,
Oo.
talagang suitable for the kids.
For small hands.
Yeah, so dapat age-appropriate
Pag
lagi
ito
ang
hindi ko
materials.
natama, ewan ko na
Okay,
lang.
okay, let's play.
Kakahiya pa. Let's play.
Okay, go.
Oho.
Yan, di ba mas madali?
Oh.
Ay, sorry po.
Sabi ko sa'yo, alam mo, yung face ko, may magnet sa anything bola. Kaya, hindi, huwag ka mag-alala, Mami Sarah. Talaga, hindi po, it's not you, it's me.
Tsaka may benefits dito na you learn to count. So, yun ang ginagawa
one.
nila. Learn, yeah, 1,
Two,
2,
three,
3. For hanggang 100 na kami ng anak ko.
Naka-100 na kayo?
Yes.
Wow,
Yun.
amazing. Okay, wait, let's go to the cooking toys. I love cooking toys. So we can prepare, it says that you can serve others through it. Pero, can you run me through that?
Okay, so, di ba pag cooking toys, ang hilig natin magluto-lutoan.
Yeah, I love
So, there's creativity and may imagination din.
And
So,
can I say that it's not just for girls, no?
Yes, it's
Some
not for
boys also love cooking.
yes, and
because
it's
they want to
very
be chef.
okay lang talaga yung ganun. So, yung iba, they want to be a chef. So, magro-role play sila and they want to make pizza, ganyan. So, they could also learn counting.
And
Kasi
fraction.
fraction, yeah. And subtraction. Kasi,
Yes.
di ba, yun, sa slice mo, tapos ilan yung order. So, they're gonna give it and serve it to others. And important din yung, for example, this one, pouring. Kasi, di ba, ngayon, kailangan ng fine motor skills. So, you
Yeah.
have to slowly pour.
Tapos, okay, pag pinor nyo lang, make sure na yung pinor nyo ay naiinom talaga.
Opo, dapat nang naiinom. Or minsan nagti-tea party kami ng anak ko.
Ay,
So,
cute.
ang saya.
Good
She
job,
really loves
Sophia.
that.
Okay. So, dito naman tayo sa pom-pom balls. Okay. Ano naman ang mga benefits nito?
Okay, so itong pom-pom balls naman, kung hindi naman kasi kailangan na mamahalin ang mga toys, you can just find this at home, di ba? Ito ay ice tray.
Okay.
And I just have some, ito na lang.
Okay. Ito yung pom-pom balls.
Yes, ito yung mga
Okay.
pom-pom balls na bibili online.
What is this? Tweezers?
Tweezers, yan.
Okay.
So, pwede ring,
Ay,
yan,
naku.
kunya. So, kunyari,
tayo makagawa.
you can teach your child pattern. So, pag toddlers pa, pwede na rin sila. Just put pink, pink,
Or vice versa.
pink. Here
parang
muna. Dito muna.
alternate.
Okay, yan. Then, you will ask your child, follow mo naman yan using your fingers.
So, I'm your child, kunwari.
Okay.
Pink.
Here po. Here. Anak
Ay,
dito.
no.
Anak dito po.
Wrong. Wrong si Mami.
Ayan,
Okay.
very good!
Thank you po, Mami.
Yeah. Tapos pag marunong na sila sa fine motor skills, they can also use
Tweezers.
tweezers or spoon.
Yan. That's right.
Then pag preschoolers na sila, pwede na rin yung alternate.
That's
Yan,
right.
some alternate.
Very, very good. Okay. Eto naman. Ano pa yung iba? Like, we also have, very quickly, we have math activities using blocks.
Okay,
These are
buksan natin.
these. So, where you can count also. If they wanna get in touch with you for these toys, where do they go?
For your toys or for you can visit my social media accounts. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. That's at Sarah. I travel with my heart. Sorry, and yung Instagram ko Sarah Maytan Juan.
Again. So, for TikTok,
For TikTok and Facebook, it's I travel with my heart.
I travel, as in letter I.
Yeah.
Okay, I travel with my heart. That's nice. Well, you have just made me proud, working mama, and also Sophia proud. So maraming salamat to our working mom today, Mommy Sarah Maytan Wangkotan. Amazing job. Thank you so much. At syempre sa aming pong pagbabalik, ibibida natin ang mga patok na pampaskong dekorasyon na poinsettias. Ang Christmas flower business na yan, abangan natin sa Kitang-Kita. Tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang happiness ngayong umaga dito pa rin sa inyong Happy Morning kasalo ang Good Morning, Kapatid! Nice!